You know what's worse than being poor? Pretending to be rich while staying broke.
I wore the watch, drove the car. But my bank account was crying inside. I wasn't poor from lack of income. I was broke from chasing fake wealth. Then I learned a life-changing secret. The rich own assets they never sell. They grow even during financial chaos. They print money while you sleep. They build wealth without daily hustle. Today, I own 5 such assets. And I'll never sell a single one. Even in a crash or recession. Because wealth is built by holding strong. Stay till the end. Asset 5 is gold. Asset number 1. Real estate, my cash flow king. Biggest regret? Selling my first rental property. Made $70K, thought I was a genius. 2 years later, it rose another $120K. Someone else now collects my monthly rent. Here's why I'll never sell again. Real estate appreciates year after year. Rent brings predictable monthly income forever. Tenants pay off my mortgage for me. Tax benefits save me thousands legally. And inflation actually boosts my rental income. Real estate isn't just property, it's legacy. Selling kills cash flow, tax breaks, control. I can control it. That's everything. That's why I hold it forever. Asset number 2. Blue chip stocks. Quiet millionaire builders. Forget chasing crypto or meme stocks. I invest in companies that print cash. Coca-Cola, Apple, Microsoft, McDonald's, J&J. They're not exciting, but they're consistent winners. Here's why I never sell these. They have unbreakable brand power, called moats. They pay steady dividends, money while I sleep. They survive even in major crashes. I'm not timing. I'm trusting performance. Buy once, hold forever, repeat. Let others gamble. I build quietly. Asset number 3. Index funds, rich without stress. If I leave one asset behind, it'll be a simple index fund. Owns thousands of companies in one move. Costs nearly nothing in fees or stress. Beats 85% of active traders long term. Invest $500 monthly. Become a millionaire. No hype, just consistency and compounding. This is how boring people get rich. They don't chase, they compound. and that's why I'll never sell mine. Asset number 4. AI stocks. My future fuel. Well, I like boring, but also explosive. Enter AI stocks. Think Nvidia, Google, Microsoft. This is more than hype, it's real. AI powers health, transport, search, security. It's the new electricity of our era. We're still early, it's like 1995 internet. I hold long-term, not to flip quick. Calculated risk, not lottery gamble. AI is infrastructure. Own it early. Asset number 5. My brand and skills. Most powerful asset? My own skill set. No crash can destroy what I know. I learned writing, marketing, communication, branding. And my income exploded with no ceiling. Your skills leverage income pricing power. Your brand trust, authority, long-term value. Build your brand. Share value online. Network grows. Net worth follows behind. Start now. Build your digital footprint. This asset pays forever, recession or not. Final word. Let's review what builds real wealth. Real estate brings cash flow and equity. Blue chip stocks compound silently for decades. Index funds build stress-free millionaires. AI stocks are the future, own a piece. Your brand and skills are the foundation. These don't need charts or 24/7 hustle. They grow while you sleep soundly. Poor people ask, what's next to buy? Rich people ask, what should I hold? It's not about speed. It's about conviction. Stop flipping. Start building your fortress. Now I ask you, be honest. Which asset are you building right now? Let me know in the comments below. And if this helped, share and subscribe. Let's grow wealth together, one asset at a time.